Is the myth you step on a crack, you break your mother's back really true? Well, let's find out. Here it goes. To be honest, I don't think it's gonna happen. See, I've been waiting here 2 minutes and I haven't gotten any call from my mom saying that her back is broken. So I guess it's fake.
Yeah, Mom?
Hey, Jack. Are you busy right now?
Not really, but, what?
Is it possible you could get the heating pad for me? My back, it's like broken.
Sure. Yeah. I'll be right there.
Alright, thanks.
All right, you're welcome. Oh, no.